Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, June 2021 attempt is around the corner. The time left is really less. April, May, that's it. And maybe some period of grace if the Institute of Cost Accountants of India decide to defer their attempt by say a week or two, maybe some period of grace. I am considering that grace as non-existence as of now, because there is no official notification from the institute side as yet. So in effect, we have barely 2 months to go for the June 2021 attempt examination. So guys, it's the right time to pull up our socks, to give it our best, to burn the midnight oil, because it's a do or die situation. This is a situation which will not be repeated again ever. Either it's now or never. So yes, to assist you in studying direct taxation group 1 paper number 7 effectively, I have come up with a plan or strategy with you. And yes, some amazing discounts coming your way towards the end of this video. So yes, let's first of all discuss what is the strategy, what should be the approach towards your examination for June 2021 examination, where time is less, effort to be put in is more. So yes, along with hard work, we need smart work. To assist you in the smart work technique, guys, I have split the entire paper of direct taxation into 3 categories, A, B and C, on the basis of recurrence of the question from each chapter in past 10 attempts. Where did I get this information from? Scanner. Scanner is an easy source, is a useful source to know which chapter has recurred repeatedly in the past examination, and based on the scanner you can easily analyze A, B and C category chapters in all the subjects. So for direct taxation, if I point out specific chapters, guys, salary is of course the A category chapter, which has recurred in the examination several times and for good marks. Then PGBP, capital gains, again A sections. So guys, these chapters you just cannot afford to skip. You just cannot afford to not do practice in these chapters. These chapters are most important chapters for your syllabus. Your examination will center around these chapters. So A category chapters are of highest importance to you for the June 2021 attempt. Then assessment of various persons, again a very important, very high percentage chapter. It had commanded 185 marks in the last 10 attempts. So yes, A category belongs to chapter number 5, 7, 8 and 14. Now let's come on to the B category. B category chapters are residential status first of all. Yes, an important chapter guys, residential status, house property. Category B, income from other sources. Category B, set off and carry forward. Category B, and TDS. Category B, return and PAN and assessment procedures. Category B. So guys, if you complete category A and category B well, rest assured you are going to pass in the examination, score above 50 in the examination, rest assured. So the key focus areas in direct taxation is category A, category B chapters. They are the key focus areas. So sir, what about category C chapters? Should we leave them entirely? No. Idea is not that. You shouldn't leave them entirely, but you have to quickly go through them without giving a lot of time, without giving a lot of attention to those chapters. Quickly go through them, because in case an easy question comes from this particular chapter, you should not be not able to answer it. You should be able to answer that particular question. So you have to quickly brush up these chapters, which are chapter number 1, basics, agriculture income, exempt income, clubbing of income, deductions, rebate and relief, TCS, advanced tax, ICDS. These are category C chapters. So category A, category B, category C chapters, all chapters are listed over here. You just mark them out in your book and study accordingly. On the other side of the chart, I have made a diagram which depicts the chapters and their importance in a line chart format. So guys, similar information given to you in a line chart format. So as we can see that chapters which hold very high command are chapter number 7 PGBP, chapter number 5 salaries, chapter number 14 assessment of various persons, chapter number 8 capital gains. So these are A category chapters. Then comes the B category chapters and the C category chapters respectively. So that is how the course is divided into A, B and C analysis. And guys, please remember that this analysis is based on past trends. There might be slight variation from the past trends in the upcoming exam. What are the other salient features of this particular video lectures? Unlimited views will be given to you till 30th June 2021. Validity will be 30th June 2021. Weekly live sessions are going to happen for both the teachers. In fact, weekly live sessions are also planned for financial accounting, guys. So if you take up this combo, then financial accounting weekly lectures, weekly sessions, you'll be eligible to attend those. Also, test series will be afforded to you, will be extended to you. So these are the salient features of this pen drive lectures. So yes, if you need to really inquire about these pen drive lectures, please call on this number or email me at this particular email ID. So yes.